Hi, this is Virendra Rajawat, and I'm the founder of Investors Profit Club. Today, I'm going to discuss why we should look at investing into the stock market. Okay, so probably many a times we think, why should we, invest in the stock market? Right? So I will give you five different reasons, around it. The first one is obviously the Indian economy. Our Indian economy is much better placed than even the so-called developed nations. Okay, uh, our Indian businesses are growing day by day, and our economy is doing much better than the other nations around us. Okay, not around us, even from the Western nations as well, we are doing very good. So that is the reason that we should look at investing into the stock market, wherein we will get a direct benefit out of those businesses which are growing, and we are able to compound our money very easily. Okay, the other one is the Indian investor. Now the Indian investor is much more informed, and they are participating into the market. And they have just realized the importance of stock market. And in last couple of years, the number of demat accounts which we are holding right now is 20 crore. Okay, before COVID, it was close to I think 6 year. Now it is 20 cr, 20 crores. The new entrant into the market are there, and they are pumping money into the market. And as a result, we have become a self-reliant. Okay, we are now not very much dependent on the global markets. That is the reason the Indian market is going up day by day. Okay. The other reason, the third reason here is, as a progressive human being, I always want my money to be compounded at such a rate that it will give me good returns post reducing inflation cost out of it. And the traditional instrument like saving, bank or FD, they are not able to give me, that kind of good returns, right? So that is the reason stock market traditionally, if you look at the last 10 years, are able to give us more than 15% of returns. Okay, and that is a good return, right? The other reason is, you need to plan your financial future goals. Okay, like your kids' higher education, their marriages, big house, or probably a comfortable retirement plan. For that, you need good amount of money, right? And by investing into the stock market, you can easily do it through the traditional, the saving account or through FDs. Probably it will not give us so much money that we are comfortably able to fulfill these financial goals. So that is the reason that we should look at the Indian stock market for the investing purpose, right? And last, not the least, Indian stock market has just started booming. Okay, and there is a huge potential in India and our Indian market to progress, at least for coming 30 to 35 years. Our businesses will definitely grow, and as we are going to become a 5 trillion economy by 2025, and probably after that we will be, definitely increase our stake. And so it is a golden period and opportunity for us to invest in the Indian stock market. So, if you have not started investing into the stock market, start doing it. But before investing, you need to learn it. Okay, it's art, it's a skill set. It's not a gambling. Okay, don't look at the stock market as gamble place. Gambling is for them who, without learning, they come into the market and they invest and they burn their money. Okay, that is called gambling. If you are coming into the market well informed and you are managing your risk properly, your money properly, you will make good money out of it, right? And in case you want to learn more about the stock market, I am there for you. You can just get in touch with me. You can comment below, and I will get in touch with you, right? That's all from my end, and thank you and have a good day.